Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today along with my son. Yeah, hey, we're getting ready to grind a stump today, guys. We got actually 2 stumps side by side in our garden, and it does have some little tree parts trying to sprout back. We're gonna have to cut them down before we get started and clear a lot of rocks away first. So let's get started. We'll show you what we got here. Okay guys, we got this big area right here in the back of our garden, and I've actually just kind of plowed around it several years. You can see here there's a maple tree stump here that's about rotted away. The level of this is probably up quite a bit above ground level, so we're going to have to cut and grind that down. See, there's part of a tree growing back up. There's another stump right over here as well. There's a little stump here that keeps sprouting up things. Right over here, I can't remember what kind of tree this is, but as you can see where my foot is, it's rotted, but still got a little bit of firm wood to it. Not too firm, but you see it still sprouts up stuff. So we got a lot of area here to grind down. We're gonna have to work on it. Nathaniel's gonna go ahead and show him what you're gonna do, Nathaniel. Get down as low as you can with the loppers. He's gonna go ahead and cut these things off and just start lopping it off there some. He's gonna cut these off, get them out of the way. We're gonna rake all these leaves and rocks out of the way and then get started. So hang tight with us, friends, and we'll get this done. Gonna get you a new bite thing. You don't have to get them too low. I can grind them on out of the way. Okay. When just get out, there you go. Just cut them off. Yeah, the thing is gonna keep working on that. I'm gonna film a little bit and start raking some of these leaves and rocks out of here.
Ow.
You okay?
Yes. Ooh.
Okay guys, we lopped off all those little branches growing up there. We took our shovel, shuffled around a little bit, moved some of the mulch out of the way. Found a couple bricks and some rocks. I think we're to the point now we're just gonna go ahead and fire this thing up and go ahead and start chomping away at these 2 stumps. I'm gonna come up here on this maple stump, and it looks like it's about rotted away. I don't think it's gonna take much to get this thing 6-8 inches below ground level. Our machine says it'll go up to 9 inches below, but if I can get it that low, I'm okay with that. And this is out in our garden spot anyway. So we're gonna fire up the Power King and get started. Okay friends, we're finally done with this little project for today. This here's been my biggest stump project yet so far. Like I say, there was 2 large trees and an area that had another type of smaller tree, and there might have been a 4th too. I mean, I was finding roots everywhere. As you can see, I probably got an 8-foot diameter area here that I've ran this stump grinder through today. I think I've got about everything, and I think I got every bit of it up too. I went down probably 8 or 9 inches in areas. Some areas may not be quite that far. I may have a root here or there that I might have to deal with when it comes time tilling up the garden this year. As I'm running the tiller through, if I catch the tiller tines on something, I'll get the stump grinder back out and we'll do a little bit more grinding. But guys, I'm gonna leave it just like this till tomorrow because I'm about wore out. You know, they call these things man beaters, and that's definitely what they done to me today. We ground several stumps today. We went down to my dad's and ground one too. So anyhow, I'm gonna get Nathaniel out here tomorrow with a hoe, and he can kind of dress this up a little bit, and we'll find another project to work on. Guys, thank you for stopping by and checking out our video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll go over here and take one last look at the Power King. Got some mud on the wheels today. All right, guys, let's see how much time she's got on the meter now. Let's check that right quick while we're at it. Looks like we have 2.1 hours all total on this thing, and that is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna count them, 7 stumps all total, and 2 hours of time. So this thing knocks it out pretty quick. It does it all right. Guys, I want to thank you again for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Like, comment, subscribe, tell some friends about us. Bye-bye.